Garoonka.com.
At the airport in the future of a more prosperous
Similar to any other international airport in the world, this airport presents a potential target for terrorism and other forms of destabilization and crime. This airport police station is therefore expected to provide a wide range of law enforcement duties.
And his colleagues for supporting at every one time that the reform teams was here. I want to thank the African Union and the Turkish government that did provide.
Having a professional policing capability at this airport will create the feeling of safety and security of the locals and visitors on entering Somalia, thus making them feel comfortable with regards to their safety throughout Somalia.
I want to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Somalia for the effort he is making to ensure that Somalia finds peace.
Thank you. Go ahead. Thank you very much. And the impact. Sir, can we have a photo? This means you don't want to come down. Yes. Thank you.
This is a two-floor building, although it's not in the standard, internationally, but now I can say now we have some sort of standard police station in the airport, and we look forward to see more equipped and not only the building which strengthens the security. Also, we need the human resources who can take care of this building, who can take care of this equipment, who can perform and secure Muqdisho International Airport.
Okay, tall. Okay.
Officers, Excellencies, we have come to the
Garoonka.com.